Hi and welcome back to the next episode of Up the Shed. Slightly different location. I'm actually down at Hangar 10 Airbrush Studios and this is Andy. Slightly different project this episode. So as you can see on the bench we've got a record number 4 Vice. I've already taken the job of sandblasting everything and getting the Rondel Blue undercoat. Now a friend of mine had the idea of me doing a Vice for him, and this has gone now sort of full turn and we've decided to do a tribute Vice. And as I'm an ex-Grenadier Guard, so for those of you who don't know, I served in the Grenadiers for 6 years, and I wanted to do a tribute Vice that allows me to raffle this Vice off and get some money towards the Colonel's Fund. So Andy has kindly said that he will collaborate with this project with me, and he's going to actually do all the hard work while I do the videoing. So, as I say, this is Andy. So, hi Andy.
Hello.
So we'll get you into the bench. We'll have a quick walk around the Vice and just have a quick discussion on what we think we're going to do, and then we'll get to it.
Okay, so I think we're going to aim to put a clouded background on the sides of the Vice. We'll do some soldier silhouette work in front of the clouds, and that should leave us a ground line so we can get some poppies in. The front, we're going to aim to try to get a cap badge on here with a red pin stripe each side that's synonymous with the badge, and we'll try to come up with something for the sides of the Vice. We're not quite sure yet, but we'll see what fits on and see what looks nice. So time to get flattened down.
Fantastic, let's get to it. well, as you can see, we're back up to the shed and we're back on the bench. It's a total mess up here with the move that's going on, and the actual extension's been built now. So it's just chaos, just moving stuff and finding room to put stuff before you can put it in its final place. But aside from that, we're all good. So we're going to get this vice back together and get it ready to be raffled off online for the Colonel's Fund for the Grenadier Guards. So without further ado, we'll get that done. So this has been an absolutely fantastic project to do with Andy from Hangar 10 Airbrush Studio. I'll leave a link to his Facebook page down in the description, and also the link to my new Facebook page, which is the Military Tributes and Memorabilia page. And that's just a way for us to raise funds for the military charity that we've chosen to do for any particular project. As I say, this one is for the Grenadier Guards because that's very close to my home. It's I've served in the Grenadiers, so that to me just seemed to be the natural thing to do first of all. But there will be others that we do as we go through this process and the journey that we're going to take. And there we are, done, back together. Fantastic. Just needs a good oil up, and then we can get it ready for the raffle. And this is a absolutely fantastic vice. We've got the poppy on there, silhouetted soldiers. We have the grenade fired proper, and on the other side we have some more silhouetted soldiers. So as I say, all details for the raffle and the addresses and things like that, how to buy a ticket, will be in the description below, and also be on the Military Tributes and Memorabilia Facebook page. So fantastic. Well, that's the end of this special episode. Hopefully you've enjoyed seeing the process that we've gone through to get that vice from its original condition through to the amazing looking vice that it is now. Hopefully someone will want this enough to buy a raffle ticket and help contribute the fundraising effort that we're trying to do to get money together for the Grenadier Guards Colonel's Fund. All details for that and to be able to buy a ticket and the Facebook pages for myself and Annie will be in the description below, so please go and check that out. And as always guys, if you haven't already, then please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give that like icon a quick click, and if you have any comments then please leave them below. And as usual guys, please stay safe, take care, many thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next episode.